So today I want to talk to you about bias quilt binding. Often when we're doing something slightly different, like the oven gloves, we've got a curve. The other thing I've also find at this time of year is I make tree skirts, and they need a bias edge as well because of the curve. If you don't use the bias edge, bias binding, then you get a bit clumpy and it doesn't look such a nice finish. And so when you're folding your bias over to finish it, it gives you a lovely neat edge. I always use clips for mine because I like to hand sew my binding, but you can do it by machine. If you're going to do it by machine, sew it on the wrong side. If you're going to do it by hand, sew it on the right side and then hand sew on the backs on the wrong side.